Okay guys, now we're gonna look at the 7-stroke roll. Like most of these roll exercises, this one has 2 variations in it. The first one is the duple variation. And as you can imagine, we're just adding an extra double stroke to the whole pattern. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and This is another roll exercise where if we took the hands off of the drum, it would look like 1. It would just look like a single stroke roll, which remember, was the very first thing we learned in this series of lessons. But we're letting the inner notes be doubles. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So there's your duple version of the 7-stroke roll. And remember, it's 1 and then 3 sets of doubles. Okay? So the triplet version of the 7-stroke roll is very, very similar, but it's going to be 1, anti-to 2, anti-to 3, anti-to 4. 1, 2 to 3, 4 to 1, 2 to 3, 4 to 1. And every triplet is going to be all double strokes. 1, 2 to 3, 4 to 1. One, 2 to 3, 4 to 1, 2 to 3, 4 to 1, 2 to 3. Try to be relaxed. The triplet one is a little bit of a tighter rudiment than the duple version of this one. So practice your 7-stroke rolls. We're going to keep moving on through these, and we're going to move on to the 9-stroke roll in the next exercise.